I swear to God, guys, I don't want to show you the next artwork. Please, I'm not ready at all. I don't know about you guys, but you could definitely send me to the death world. Hi there, I hope you guys are doing good, but I'm not doing good. So today's video is going to be something different because I'm going to do my sketchbook tour. Yeah, boy. And I'm going to react to all my old artworks which I've done in that sketchbook. Okay. So I think this video is going to be funny and interesting. Watch till the end. So the artwork is going to be all the anime characters which I have done at that time. So you'll find the majority artworks will be of the anime character itself. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
2 hours later.
So after searching for a very long time, I found my sketchbook, the legendary sketchbook, which is in very good condition. I can say yes, very good condition. I will buy a new one when I get some vitamin M, you know. So this is Brewster's sketchbook which I purchased, I guess 3-4 years back by begging my mom to purchase and give me this. After so many trials of begging and everything, I finally got the sketchbook. Just joking, no, I'm serious. So now I'll be taking some cinematic shots of this book. It deserves it, right? Yeah, the sketchbook deserves the cinematic shots. Now it's time to showcase my talent, which is inside this book, which you guys are so much excited for. You'll find all the kind of shit inside this book. It's okay, you'll find good shits too. What is good shit? I'm sorry. So this is the first page of the sketchbook in which it's written Deathnote. Don't worry guys, this is not the original one. This is the fake one. Okay. And please, if you can ignore the color in which I have written the Deathnote, please ignore, please. I feel I'm not confident enough to show my sketchbook to you guys. It's okay. I'll have some protein shake and come with that confident. Wait for me.
2 hours later.
So after having 1 ml of protein shake, I'm confident enough now, very much confident enough to show my sketchbook, because it might take your life, not mine. So revealing my first artwork of Light. I hope you guys guessed it right. Yeah, it is Light from the Deathnote. His lips got extended slightly and he's no longer looking like Light, but similar to Light, I guess. Yeah. Please don't judge me, guys, because this is my first artwork which I have done in the theme of anime characters. Okay. So this was my first sketch which I made, I guess, 3 years ago when I chose to draw anime characters. So Light was the one who came in front of me and told that draw me, you can try on me. So I drew him. I promise you guys the next sketches which I've made are really very beautiful. Yeah, I mean very, very beautiful. Don't worry. So I want to rate this artwork. So I'll be rating for every artwork which I've done. Okay. So for this artwork, I think I'm gonna give 5 out of 10. Yeah, it deserves at least 5. मुंह तो अच्छा नहीं बना पर बैकग्राउंड वगैरह yeah. I swear to God, guys, I don't want to show you the next artwork. Please, I'm not ready at all. I don't know about you guys, but you could definitely send me to the death world. Definitely. I feel so sorry about Ryuk. You know, I damaged his entire face, structure, and everything. I made it more worse. He was worse. I made it more worse. And that is my talent. जो मैंने इस sketch में हगा है ना, Ryuk, please forgive me, bro. Please. I'll not repeat this again. Please. I beg you, bro. But other than his face and everything, other except that, look at the apple, look at the hand, look at the background, how perfectly I've made it. You know, मेन कैरेक्टर को ही ऐसे ड्रॉ करके बैकग्राउंड वगैरह का क्या करूँ मैं बताओ. I don't want to speak about this anymore. I want to go to the next one, please. Very badly. Oh, I don't want to go to the next one also. Yeah, I forgot to rate this artwork. I think I can give this 3 or 4 out of 10. If not 4, then at least 3 out of 10. Yes. So we'll go to the next artwork. Please guys, stop laughing. At least hairstyle से तो पहचान लिया होगा ना कि ये बंदा कौन है. Yes, it's our one and only legend L. Lolliot. The main character in the Deathnote. One of the main character in the Deathnote. Have made him look similar to him almost, yet I think, yeah, but only his jawline didn't cooperate with me, so it's not my mistake. I was trying to cooperate with his jawline, but it wasn't. But it's not my mistake. Yeah, I do good sketches. Yes, you guys know, right? Look at the background, the effect. Oh my god, so unbelievable sketch. Okay, we'll not give him more compliments, otherwise he'll go high. Yeah, so about rating of this artwork, I think I'll rate him, yeah, around 4 or 5 out of 10, I guess. Yes. So moving on to next artwork, we'll do 1 minute silence for Misa. Everything in this drawing came out good and pretty good and everything except her face. Her face didn't cooperate with me this time. Her entire face didn't cooperate with me this time. So, you know, जो चीज़ अच्छे से बनानी जो भी है चाहिए, वो नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. उसके अलावा बाकी सब कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं, बस ये काम नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. It's like cooking the dish without salt. I think I've improved slightly compared to the first sketches which I've done of the anime characters. Compared to those, थोड़ा सा तो कुछ तो मतलब improvement है, थोड़ा सा तो है. So about rating this artwork, I would rate around like 6 out of 10. Yes. So the next drawing is, oh my god, I'm running out of confidence, guys. I don't want to make this video anymore. God, what is this? What is this, Ma? So, you guys know they are the OG couple in Deathnote.
Yeah, boy.
Misa and Light, which they're no more looking like that. They're not at all looking like that. Look at Misa. Compared to the previous artwork, in the previous artwork, at least she was looking similar to that. But in this one, look at her body structure. Look at her hand. Where is this coming from? There's no connection itself. Oh my god. And Light, he's no more looking like Light at all. And the fingers, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers. Oh my god. What is going on? She's a human or devil? What is going on? Every time that one thing is not cooperating with me, the jawline. It's not at all ready to cooperate with me. What can I do with it? Oh my god. I can't even delete that. I can't even delete that from the sketch. Wait, what if I delete it? What if I delete the jawline part? I'll rate this artwork, guys. I'm leaving this to you guys. You people rate it. How much ever you need. So this is the last sketch which I reacted to. There are many more sketches, guys, which can be reacted. So I'll do it in the next video or the next part. I can bring a number of parts on this type of video, I guess. Okay. So if you guys have liked this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, then make sure to comment down and I'll meet you in the next one. If you guys have found this funny, then make sure to subscribe. This is not a comedy channel.